Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to double hem the down part of this trouser. This is the trouser, and the total length here is 42 inches. The length I'm going to use, which the person wants, is 37.5 inches, which is here. This is 37.5 inches. So I place my tape here. This is the side of the trouser, the two sides. This is the back and this is the front. This is where the button is and the zip, and this is the back and this is the side. So you will place your tape on the side and measure. Don't place your tape here. Don't place your tape here or here. Don't place it. Just don't place your tape here or here. That is the back or the front. Don't place it here. Place it on the side. Place your tape on the side and measure the measurement you want. So I'm going to use 37.5 for this measurement, which is here. So I mark. So I'm going to measure. You can measure 1 inch, depending on how you want the folding to be. You can measure 1 inch or 1.5 inch or 2 inches. I measure 1.5 inch. So I'm going to fold inside this way, and I'm going to iron. This is where I measure from waist down here, 37.5 inches. I mark here, you can see the mark. Then I fold from where I mark to here, 1.5 inch. Then I fold it inside. This is the remaining one I use in folding it inside. And I iron. So after finish sewing inside, I will place on my machine, hold with pin. I will sew round. After sewing round, I will iron well. Then I will bring it this way. After finish sewing, I will bring it back this way. So that means the 1.5 inch here is the one I will fold this way. You can see. So after measuring this, after finish sewing, I will measure again from here to this line to give me 37.5 inches. So I'm going to do that and I will show you. So let me say it again. I place my tape on the waist here. This is the two sides of the waist. This is the front and this is the back. So I place my tape here. I measure up to here, 37.5 inches with this line. Then I measure from this 37.5 inches to this place, like this is 1.5 inch. Then I fold and I iron. Then after sewing with machine, I'm going to stitch down with machine. Then I will fold it to the right side this way. Then I will iron. After ironing, I will stitch. This is the side. I will stitch just here, and I will stitch the inner sewing here. So when I'm done doing that, I will show you. Let me just first go and sew this part. I will come back and show you. So I just sew round. So I'm going to bring it this way. Remember, I measured 1.5 inch. This is the mark. So I'm going to fold here now, this way. After doing that, just measure and see if it's correct. So what I'm going to do is just to sew here. I'm going to sew just here and here. After doing that, I will iron and to look just like this. This is how simple it is, how to hem your or double hem your trouser. If it's too long, instead of you to cut it off, just sew it and you know, double it like this. Thank you guys. Please follow, share, and comment, like. Thank you. I will see you again.